Good evening once again. I'm Keith Radford, topping Eyewitness News at 5:30 tonight. There is some good news for lower-income families looking to help in paying daycare expenses. Erie County is going to restore some of its funding to its daycare subsidy program. Channel 7's Ed Riley is here now with details tonight.
Well, Keith, currently the county's subsidized daycare program helps pay the cost for over 4,800 children. However, budget cuts during the past 2 years reduced the program, causing hardships for many working mothers. And now Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says they found a way to undo those cuts and expand the program to help 200 more children. The Lincoln Child Care Center on Genesee Street cares for 92 children, and since many of these kids come from low-income urban families, being here is very important.
Many of these children are culturally and economically deprived, and having daycare helps them to catch up with other children.
Having a child in this program is also crucial for struggling parents who are trying to keep employment.
There are so many families out there that need the two incomes.
Erie County helps low-income families pay for daycare costs as part of a subsidized program. But in 2010, the program was severely cut by the Collins administration.
This one hit most people the hardest.
After a public uproar, some funding was restored, but not all of it, and that affected families.
So what happened? They lost their jobs. They lost their job, they went back on public assistance.
And even child care centers.
So we did have to lay off a couple of staff people.
Several went out of business when families could no longer afford to pay.
Today I'm pleased to announce that Erie County will expand its subsidized daycare program.
Now the county is restoring funds to the program and returning the eligibility rate to 200% of the poverty level.
For a family of 3, for example, the upper limit would be $37,000.
The county was able to raise the income standard by leveraging available state and federal funds.
This is not costing local taxpayers, local citizens an additional penny. We're using available resources.
Applications are being accepted immediately. The increase is scheduled to go into effect on March 5th. And again, we should remind everyone that there is not unlimited funds for this program. The county believes they can help pay for an additional 200 kids, but that number could fluctuate. So the best advice here is apply early while the money is there. Keith?
All right, good.